Psychological effects are potent in a company's operation. Here are several psychological effects that you can use to impress and retain your customers. The 80-20 rule. It is probably one of the most well-known principles in economics. 80% of the economic value in a market is created by 20% of the population, and therefore only 20% of all can control 80% of the wealth. It helps us prioritize our attention and resources to what truly matters. When talking to a customer about a product you design, you should spend 80% of your time addressing the customer's background, preference, and pain point, and not the product per se. Broken window theory. Imagine there is a car with broken window parked in the neighborhood. If left unfixed, more windows will be broken in the next few weeks. Broken windows theory is a criminal psychology hypothesis that describes the striking effect of nasty things. If left attended, what's already bad will become worse. It works the same in company operation. Any damage to your brand can escalate and would take forever to repair the company's reputation. If you find something that could go wrong with branding, make sure to correct it immediately. I hope this tip was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You were watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.